If you've been waking up with heavy bloating, tightness around your stomach, or that stubborn morning belly puff that just won't go away no matter what you try, then stop everything and listen closely, because today's morning drink might be the simplest solution you've ever seen. This powerful remedy uses basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds, and it's getting viral for one reason. Thousands of people are claiming it helps them shrink belly bloat faster than anything they've tried before. And the surprising part, most people already have this ingredient in their kitchen but never knew how incredibly effective it could be. Before you think this is just another trendy detox idea, let me tell you something shocking. Basil seeds swell up to nearly 30 times their size when soaked, and when they enter your stomach, they create a natural gel-like barrier that traps gas, pushes out toxins, and rapidly reduces bloating. This isn't hype. This is one of the oldest digestive secrets used across Asian cultures for centuries. But somehow, modern wellness overlooked it. Until now. If you really want a flatter belly, especially in the morning, you must understand one thing. Bloating is not belly fat. Bloating is gas, water retention, indigestion, inflammation, and trapped toxins. Imagine waking up every day with unnecessary heaviness inside your gut. It slows metabolism, increases cravings, and makes you feel tired before the day even starts. But a simple basil seed drink, taken at the right time, can transform everything. And when I say transform, I mean people are reporting they feel lighter within just 15 to 20 minutes of drinking it. But there's a catch. It only works when taken first thing in the morning, when your digestive system is empty and ready to reset. That's why this morning ritual is becoming a flat tummy routine in many households. When basil seeds expand inside your stomach, they trigger three powerful effects. They flush stored waste, they reduce inflammation, and they calm down digestive heat, all of which combine to shrink belly bloat naturally and quickly. Now, imagine drinking something so simple that by the time you finish breakfast, your belly already feels flatter, softer, and more comfortable. That is exactly why this remedy is trending on Google searches, health blogs, and Wiki keyword rankings. People want something fast, easy, natural, and safe. And basil seeds check every box. So let's talk about how to prepare this drink the right way. A lot of people make a basic version, but today I'll show you the upgraded version, the one that experts say is the most powerful for bloating. All you need is 1 tablespoon basil seeds, half a lemon, and warm water. Why warm water? Because it activates the seeds faster, improves digestion, and boosts the absorption of detox minerals. When the seeds are soaked for 10 to 15 minutes, they form a gel coating that acts like a broom for your gut. It sweeps away trapped gas, old waste, and acidic buildup, the exact things that cause morning belly bloat. And here's where the magic doubles. Lemon juice. Lemon triggers natural bile release from your liver, which breaks down stored waste and helps move things smoothly through your intestines. When basil seeds and lemon combine, you get a synergy that people describe as a blowtorch for bloating. Your stomach starts to loosen, digestion becomes smooth, and your belly appears visibly slimmer within a short time. But don't leave yet, because there's another secret ingredient that takes this remedy to the next level. A pinch of pink salt or black salt. Why? Because belly bloating is often caused by electrolyte imbalance, and natural salt stabilizes water levels, releases extra sodium, and reduces puffiness. This tiny pinch makes the drink even more effective, especially in the morning. Now, I want you to imagine this. You wake up, drink this basil seed morning mix, and within the first hour, your stomach feels lighter, your energy feels cleaner, and your entire body starts working like it finally reset. And the best part, this drink doesn't just reduce bloating, it supports weight management, reduces cravings, improves gut health, and enhances metabolism throughout the day. People using this drink daily say they notice less heaviness, reduced puffiness around the waist, a flatter abdominal area, more regular digestion, and a calm, smooth stomach throughout the day. You don't need expensive detox teas, harsh fat burners, or unhealthy methods. Nature already gave us one of the most powerful bloating solutions in these tiny black basil seeds. And now comes an important reminder. Consistency matters. Don't expect miracles in one day. If you take this drink every morning for at least 1 week, your belly will feel completely different, lighter, softer, and without that stubborn morning bulge. And if you continue it for 15 days, your digestive system will thank you in ways you never expected. So if you're tired of waking up with a bloated belly, tired energy, or digestive discomfort, try this drink tomorrow morning and feel the difference yourself. This is not a trend, it's a natural reset your body has been needing. And if you want more powerful natural remedies, morning detox ideas, and belly-flattening drink routines, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss the next effective home remedy. For the next life-changing video, visit the channel now.